Can we turn that in on insurance, Bob?
Looks like wind damage to me.
Didn't quite go the way we planned, but it ain't gonna hurt. Yeah. As long as nobody got hurt, the main thing.
It's just cheaper than his gas.
It's a pretty day out here, Gene. Good day for a drive.
I'm thinking I'm going to have to take mine off, but I ain't got sleeves and it was a little too chilly. Roy, are you having trouble walking today?
After drinking all night, I'm just not going to party all night the next day like I used to.
This LP's always
I'm sorry.
hard to start sometimes.
Huh?
So the bolt cutters wouldn't cut it.
He cut this piece and it just like that.
We was.
All the Tyrone Fire Department. I bet we have to cut the bottom of the towers over there, and I don't think it's fall.
Seriously?
Turn all the hair off my knuckle.
Not yet. You know, it's waiting for that.
Well, that other stuff out of the piece, probably.
Get it out T on it, Bob. Yeah. All right, now what do you want to do? Cut this one out, take a section out of it.
Cut her at the base.
Do what?
Cut her at the base.
Right.
Yeah, you're just trying to figure out which leg you want cut.
Yeah, I'd cut a section out of that one and then just kind of.
We might be able to corner it to get 6 inches out of it.
What she said. I got 200 more fields in 10 seconds.
Hey, can you put a hat on?
I put suntan lotion up there for that purpose.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I had to see it.
They're just Willie's fingers, it's all right.
Yeah.